What is up, guys? Tecnología here from Bobadilla Adventures. Today we are going to with some friends. Let's go party at the pool. We're gonna be taking pictures inside the water with the camera. GoPro, GoPro, GoPro. Hey. She's ready with the tutu.
No!
I feel naked with this short. Like, I'm not used to short. Too short. Ray, the board they low. What is up, guys? We are here in the pool. We decided to come over here and chill for a little bit since the weather is really nice.
It's nice!
So, oh yeah, look at that. Just look at that over there. Sky. It rained a little bit. Yes, was it yesterday?
Yesterday and Monday.
And Monday. We are done with the pool for today. It was great. Thank you guys for staying. Check this video out, pass it on, share it, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you later. Ray is singing right there. Remember, keep dreaming, the dreams come true. Ray.
Peace out.
Where are you going, Ray?
Hey!